Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to set up a timer for your Google Forms. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, docs.google.com/forms. This is the main website that you want to open up. Once you have done so, you'll be greeted by the main page of Google Forms there in the upper right corner. First things first, we can get started with our account. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is go and sign up for a new one. And if you have one, you can just go ahead and log in normally. So once you have logged in, now you'll be greeted by this main page right here. This is going to be the home page where you can get started creating a new form if you wish to. We can take a look at recent forms, where you can take a look at the forms we have created and so on. And now we can get started with adding our timer to any form. So let's go ahead and open up one of the forms that we have. You can even go and create a new one if you want. Here I have a form. As you can see, this is now going to be my form, where a tutorial form for a video where I have my questions, answers, and so on. And now I wish to add a timer. Basically guys, because Google Forms does not allow traditionally to add a timer, they do not have this kind of option. You have multiple options that you can try on. Basically, in the Google Workspace Marketplace, we can find some add-ons and apps that have been created specifically for this use, such as the timer plus Proctor for Google Forms. This is called the extended forms option. Basically, this is going to enable you to add any timer that you wish guys. As you can see, also a countdown timer and so on. That's going to enable you to go and choose how much time you want your users to have for answering questions. If you have a test or something similar, there are going to be options in this option right here, so you can install it, get started trying it out, taking a look at how it works. You can get started setting up the timer from there, because Google Forms by itself does not allow this option. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.